We had called two representatives of the Samajwadi Party on the program tonight, and one of them has decided to pull out of the news hour 1.5 minutes back. The gentleman concerned refused to take Times Now's calls after confirming that he would make an appearance on the news hour, and then said, "I've got a meeting and I cannot make it." This was 2 minutes back. But I'm glad I have another representative of the Samajwadi Party. His name is Naveed Siddiqui, my first guest tonight. He's a chairman, state minister, and he's joining us. He's a minister level politician in the UP government. Naveed Siddiqui ji, बहुत धन्यवाद. Ravidas Mehrotra of the Samajwadi Party is also going to join us in some time. Meenakshi Lekhi of the BJP, Sudhindra Bhadoria in Delhi is of the BSP, and he's sitting there with TSR Subramaniam, former cabinet secretary. Vinod Mehta, editorial chairman of the Outlook Group, believes that this is an inflection point in our country. I am glad that I have Congress representation tonight with Dr. Rita Bahuguna Joshi agreeing to join our panel. Anupam Kher is a concerned citizen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big subject. We have a lot of time. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, why has the Prime Minister of India decided to do nothing for Durga Shakti?
Well, as far as I know, and I've heard that the DOPT minister has already asked for a report from the state government. There's a procedure, and obviously the UP government acted in a haste. The central government would not want to act in a haste, as I presume.
What is the haste?
He's asked for a report and he must be awaiting it.
What is the haste?
And once the report goes there, then central government will take its own view on it.
No, you're buying time. It's quite obvious to everybody that because there's a parliament session coming up, you're too scared to act against Mulayam Singh Yadav. Why aren't you honest about it? No, if you're honest about it, it's okay.
When the Chief Minister acts in a haste, when the CM acts in a haste, then everybody is saying it was a hasty action. Now there's a system. The central government is
what
waiting
system?
for a report.
What
Let
system?
The report go and then you can
what
judge
system? You'll intervene after your Samajwadi Party brands a communal, after there's a flare up of communal situation in that area.
The Congress Party stands very well in condemning what has happened.
Those condemnations mean nothing. You're buying time.
About how in the Ramzan, month of Ramzan, if supposing something happened in a Muslim village, that is also...
What do you mean if supposing something happened in a Muslim village when there was nothing happening? Why are you party to a communalization of the situation? I have a DM's report.
Please, let me speak. Let us keep these two issues separate.
No.
The perception that the country holds, and we also hold, is that this honest officer is being penalized for taking
so
on
if an honest officer is being penalized, what does it have to do? No, if an honest officer is penalized, what does it have to do with the action against her? You see, point number one, if an honest officer is being penalized by your ally. And the point number two here is, point number two, I have proof. I have proof that your ally is lying.
Samajwadi is not.
I have proof that your ally is lying. I have a letter of the district magistrate. 1 minute. I have a letter of the district magistrate.
But they're not allies.
Have you seen the letter of the district magistrate? Have you seen the letter of the district magistrate? The district magistrate report, which I am going to read out, which I have a copy of, says this, and I'd like to invite the attention of all our panelists. The district magistrate says that villagers who had built this wall trying to construct a mosque on public land were informed of the Supreme Court order and the subsequent government order prohibiting construction on public land. Villagers said they were not aware of these orders. Since they were informed, now they are willing to remove the construction on their own. The village has 70% Muslim population. Situation is totally normal there. So the situation is normal. It is your ally who's trying to create a communal situation. Why is the Prime Minister of India, Ministry of Personnel is under him? Why is the Prime Minister of India silent? Why is the Prime Minister of India doing nothing? In the 2G case, the Prime Minister of India was candid enough to tell us that I did nothing because there were coalition compulsions. He talked about the compulsions of coalition government. Why doesn't the Prime Minister of India come and say it's also part of the compulsions of coalition government that I have to be a mute spectator? That I have to be a mute spectator to the intimidation and threats being used against an honest officer. Why doesn't the Prime Minister say that then?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, do you expect the Prime Minister to come on TV and to make public statements on every issue?
This is not every issue.
This is an administrative issue. The DOPT department is in charge of this issue. They are possessed with it. They've asked for an inquiry of a report from the UP government.
The Prime Minister is in charge of the Ministry of Personnel Training and Public Grievances. The Prime Minister has the power. The Prime Minister has the power.
The Congress party.
The Prime Minister has the power to revoke the suspension.
But you can't expect the Prime Minister to act without a report from the UP government. How can you expect the Prime Minister to act?
And what kind of a report do you expect to get from the UP government? It's already given itself a clean sheet in the case.
Sorry?
The UP government has given itself a clean sheet in the case.
Well, you see, what is worrying us is that there is a direct confrontation between the IS officers, the bureaucracy, and the rulers in UP. Now, if the executive and if the people in government, the ministry, if they confront each other...
There is no confrontation. No, I think you are generalizing it. There is no confrontation. There is only one confrontation, Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
It is very unfortunate.
Ms. Joshi?
It is absolutely unfortunate that the DM was not asked for a report.
Ms. Joshi,
the SSP was not
I am now getting reactions. We are opening up this debate. We've heard your initial comments. You asked the people of India. There is only one confrontation between the corrupt and the honest, between the mafia and the honest officers. That is the only confrontation. And the people of India are asking you, because you run the government, which side are you on? That's the question tonight, Rita Bahuguna Joshi. Meenakshi Lekhi's first response on the News Hour debate tonight. Meenakshi Lekhi to Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
See,
the Congress party clearly
the response is very simple. That this is a case of ill governance. This is a case where UP government is using the communal veil to cover the ill deeds of corrupt. And if we see the sequence of events, number one, even if I am assuming everything against that, the only explanation which has come against Durga Shakti is that the communal atmosphere was getting destroyed or was being hurt. Now, even if that is true, who will you pick up? You will pick up those who are engaging in such activities and are likely to cause any such activity. So preventive detention should have been made of people who are likely to cause communal tension, not of the officers who are going to stop such tension while doing their duty and following the mandate of law. That is number one, even if I'm assuming everything against. Now the fact is that all this has happened because of the dredging which was going on, and they were trying to stop it. The admission has come in the form of the gentleman who has that minister from UP who says 41 minutes and I got this done. So there must have been he and several such people. Then Shivpal Yadav has made a statement, Azam Khan has made a statement. So they are basically doing two things. One is that they are demoralizing the bureaucracy by telling them fall in line, do as you are told and as you are ordered. And the second message is that in case you do anything other than that, we will communalize and we will penalize you. And the communalization of the entire politics is writ large, that the issue of mosque, everything else is blown out of proportion, and no such thing was really going on.
There was nothing going on. That is not. There was.
Transfer the officer.
There was nothing going on. There was nothing going on. This is clearly an action to protect the sand mining mafia. My question to the Samajwadi Party representative.
Absolutely.
My question to the Samajwadi Party representative. Naveed Siddiqui ji, I hope you can hear me. मेरी आवाज़ शायद आपको आ रही है.
Yes or no?
Mr. Siddiqui, tell me, on the 17th of January, there was communal violence in Lucknow. One man was shot dead and 15 were injured. Did you suspend the DM?
Just tell me one thing, Arnav. Why don't we discuss about the communal violence, not only in UP, the greatest
No, one second. Did you suspend 1 minute? 1 minute. First of all, there is no communal violence in that area.
No, I'm not talking about UP. First come to, let's
give audio right.
Issue. The communal violence was in Gujarat. In Gujarat, in Maharashtra in 1992. And the people of Gujarat who are involved in this violence and who...
First of all, no, one second. I request audio. One second. Mr. Siddiqui, 1 minute. 1 minute. We are going to fix your mic because your audio is not coming very clear right now. And I want to hear you. Though I completely and totally disagree with your blatant and open attempt to communalize the situation and this debate. This is not a communal debate, and Mr. Siddiqui, you should get your facts right. You have been caught red-handed The Uttar Pradesh government, Mr. Siddiqui, has been caught red-handed. And when you are caught red-handed, it is good that you confess. Mr. Siddiqui, you can hear me? It would be much better if you were to confess today that yes, we persecuted this young officer because she was going after the mafia. That's all. I just want an admission of that today.
There was no mining issue. There was no mining issue. There was only issue of communal violence.
Well, no, there was. There was. First of all, Mr. Siddiqui, there was.
No.
I have the proof that there was.
No. You have the proof. We got the LIU report. And LIU report, before the DM's report, we got that report that there would have been a communal fire. Not only in UP.
Mr.
Fire would have to spread like any...
Mr. Siddiqui, 1 minute. Mr. Siddiqui, you're getting worked up unnecessarily. I'm going to come back to you in a minute. That mic of yours is not functioning. That's the only reason. Not because I don't like to listen to you. I'd like to get in at this point of time, TSR Subramaniam, former cabinet secretary, on where this is going. Meenakshi, I'll come back to you when we can get a rebut. TSR Subramaniam, where do you think this is going? Is this an inflection point? Is this a watershed moment for the people of this country? Because the reactions to Durga Shakti are coming across from the whole country into the Times Now newsroom.
Arnav, I sincerely hope it is. To me, what happened to Nirbhaya in Delhi was a terrible, awful thing, but it is unfortunately happening in every district in India. Similarly, what has happened to this poor lady in Gautam Budh Nagar is something that is happening 50 times every month in every state of India, not only in UP. I think it's very important for us to recognize that much of 95% of administration is the civil services. 95%. If you include the 98%. Now, if you demoralize the civil services, they are your instruments, and hit them hard, make sure that they are not able to express themselves, and give the lesson to them, give a lesson to the district officers, and tell everybody what the government wants. This is a recipe for bad governance. So there is no transparency, no security of tenure, mafias are being allowed free run, and the message is loud and clear. If you touch the mafia, immediately you will be in trouble. And in every district there are 5 or 6 mafias.
No, why was this government elected in UP? This government was not elected to protect the mafia, was it, Mr. Siddiqui? Is your only responsibility to protect the mafia? If it is, then you tell us.
We were not protecting any. No, Arnav, we are not protecting any mafia. Of course you were. The one thing and the only thing. Not at all, my dear. I'm just telling you, no. The people are given the clear mandate. We are there at 224 seats. The people of UP.
It doesn't matter whether you got all 224 seats, Mr. Siddiqui. I have letters which prove that this lady was acting against the sand mining mafia on the 24th of July. I want you to tell me whether you genuinely believe it's a coincidence. Is it a coincidence that she was acting against the sand mining mafia on the 24th of July and then you took this action? Is this a coincidence?
There were people, she was taking actions like 4 or 5 months back also. But nothing happened. But this was the issue of demolition of a boundary wall.
But the district magistrate said the situation was absolutely normal.
No. We got the LIU report and
the district magistrate said, no, 1 second, let me catch your lie red-handed. You are lying, sir. Please don't lie on national television, Mr. Siddiqui.
No.
I have a district magistrate's letter which says the situation was absolutely normal. Mr. Bhadoria, what's your information on that? Let's get the BSP in. Mr. Bhadoria.
It was not normal.
Mr. Bhadoria, do you think the Samajwadi Party is deliberately trying to communalize the situation here? Mr. Bhadoria.
Can I come in? You see, this is a bogey of communalism when they are failing to administer and to maintain law and order. The bogey of communalism is being raised. Number 1. Number 2, Durga Shakti Nagpal has been praised by the Allahabad High Court. Let me come.
Mr. Bhadoria talking about law and order in the country.
I was listening to you. You don't allow anybody to speak. If you
are talking about law and order.
Function. You spoke. We never disturbed you. We never disturbed you. You had your point. Let me make my point.
How come you have the guts of talking about law and order in the country? Our chief minister has the guts
okay, so
to suspend.
that is the thing. That you are challenging the guts. That is why one of your parliament members said that the DM should be also suspended.
Not only to the IS officer. Not only to the IS officer. He sacked his minister for passing an offensive comment to a female.
Who was working, Mr. Chauhan, has been suspended. We know you, we know your high-handedness, we know your brazenness, you smack of arrogance. You are not even willing to listen to the other side.
No, what you are saying
this
is wrong.
Your
You're talking about
your arrogance,
in the
and
state.
you will, and let me tell you, you are the one who are trying to trample democracy.
What happened during your regime? What happened during your regime?
We will debate that. You want to have a debate. You want to have a debate.
When a senior IS officer, listen to me. When a senior IS officer shot himself, where were you? Where was this IS officer?
You can raise your voice.
भदौरिया साहब इस तरह किसी पे उंगली उठाना ठीक नहीं है. Not good at all.
No, उंगली उठाना क्या ठीक नहीं है? आप बहस करना नहीं जानते. आप कह रहे हैं कि आप में गट्स नहीं है. आप हमको गट्स सिखाएंगे? आप कल से आ गए और हमको गट्स सिखाएंगे?
I'm saying you are telling कि there is no law and order. You are pointing my government.
आप हमारे गट्स को हमने लोकतंत्र के लिए लड़ा है. हमने लोकतंत्र के लिए लड़ा है. मिस्टर सिद्दीकी आपकी तरह नहीं आ गए हैं.